All right, so here we are in the neighborhood of Concordia. We're gonna come up to the unit here. All right, so this is a second floor unit. As soon as we come in, we have the garage down here, little one-car garage. All right, so let's go upstairs. So this is a second floor unit. It has approximately 1,100 square feet and change. And a 2-bedroom. So as we come up the stairs, to our right, we have the first bathroom. This unit's original too, with the exception of the laminate flooring. On this side here, we have guest bedroom number 1. Closet. The room itself. Living room. Kitchen to this side here. Laundry room right off to the kitchen. Little pantry. HVAC system with the water heater. Well, desk area too. It's pretty neat. All right, then coming to the master bedroom. Here we are. Well, his and hers closets. And then the other closet. And the bathroom. So, dual sinks, which is nice. On this side over here, we have the bathtub, toilet, and just to the right is the shower. All right, now, one thing to mention here is the ceiling. So it's a vaulted ceiling. It gives it really good dimension and depth in the house. Here's the balcony area. So they have a couple different views here. They have one that you could oversee the water. This one is just facing other units. Plenty of different options. All right, so that's the end of our tour for this unit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the clubhouse and an overview of the community tour and where it's located. Sound good? All right, let's go. So here we are at the front entrance there. You pull up, you come into the clubhouse, and let's go ahead and just take a quick peek and see what's here. Sometimes I have access to the clubhouse, sometimes I don't. So at least you get to see what's in here. So as soon as you walk in, to our left here is the clubhouse itself. So you have the living room or a sitting area, the main office, and a little kitchen area off to the side. Through the front entrance here is where the pool's located. Let me see if I could get you a better view of the inside here. So just to the left, right there is where the kitchen area and dinette area is. Now, if we come around to this side, we have bathrooms over to our right, and then to our left, let me adjust the brightness here, you have access to the gym where they have TVs, all different type of machines in there. Now, hopefully you enjoyed this little tour of Concordia Lakes. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.